Looping action in SmartSuite has just received a very important update. Previously, you could iterate only against a list of records. From now on, you've got an option to iterate against a list of values of a selected field of a single record. Basically, you can use any field type that is capable of holding multiple values, linked records, assigned to teams, multiple select, and so on. Let me illustrate this with a simple example. So imagine I'm composing a quote by adding products to it. And once the products are in, I want to click a button that runs an automation and creates quote lines for every product that I have selected. I already have a button in place that acts as a trigger, so my next step will be adding a looping action. And here I can now select a triggering record as a source. And because I selected a single record, I get to choose a field that will be used as a source for the looping. I will go with linked to products in this case. Inside the loop, I will add a single step, create a record in quote lines. Every quote line needs a link to the quote, which I will be pulling from the trigger, and every quote line needs a link to the product, which in this case I will be pulling from the looping's current item. For illustration purposes, I will skip pricing and all other details, so let's see how the looping goes. So we're back at the quote, I have my product selected and I'm ready to kick off the automation. And there you have it. 3 quote lines have been added, all linked to the parent quote, and each one of them got the link to the right product. So this is how you can utilize looping against a specific field of a single record.